Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Boss MCQ Part 1. Please do learn, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. Which of the following are structure adaptations to flight in birds? A. Light bones and webbed feet. B. Webbed feet and light feathers. C. Streamlined body and light bones. D. Smooth body and light feathers. And the answer is C. Streamlined body and light bones. In which one of the following associations do both organisms benefit? A. Malarial parasite and human. B. Tapeworm and human. C. Fungal parasite and plant. D. Nitrogen fixing bacteria and leguminous plant. And the answer is D. Nitrogen fixing bacteria and leguminous plant. Which of the following method would be the best for estimating the population density of rats in a bush? A. Dialect counting. B. Quadrant method. C. Line transect. D. Capture-recapture method. And the answer is D. Capture-recapture method. Addition of humus to a sandy soil would A. Decrease the capillarity of the soil. B. Increase the aeration of the soil. C. Decrease mineral content of the soil. D. Improve the water retention capacity of the soil. And the answer is D. Improve the water retention capacity of the soil. At which of the following levels of classification can organisms interbreed and produce fertile offsprings? A. Class. B. Species. C. Phylum. D. Kingdom. And the answer is B. Species. By which one of the following processes does carbon dioxide leave the blood capillaries into the alveoli? A. Osmosis. B. Active transport. C. Diffusion. D. Capillarity. And the answer is C. Diffusion. Which one of the following parts of a mammalian ear is concerned with balance? A. Cochlea. B. Semicircular canal. C. Eustachian tube. D. Oval window. And the answer is B. Semicircular canal. The main reason why birds sit on their eggs during the incubation period is to ensure that A. Hatching occurs quickly. B. Rain does not destroy eggs. C. Eggs are kept at a constant temperature. D. All eggs develop chicks at the same time. And the answer is C. Eggs are kept at a constant temperature. Which of the following would be a correct sequence of plant succession on an abandoned tarmac road? A. Mosses, herbs, shrubs, trees. B. Herbs, mosses, shrubs, trees. C. Shrubs, herbs, trees, mosses. D. Mosses, herbs, trees, shrubs. And the answer is A. Mosses, herbs, shrubs, trees. Which of the following is likely to cause pollution in the water bodies? A. Overfishing. B. Boat racing. C. Use of fertilizers. D. Use of farmyard manure. And the answer is C. Use of fertilizers. When a growing shoot is placed horizontally, it bends upwards after some time. Which of the following best explains this response? A. High auxin concentration on the upper side inhibits growth on the upper side. B. High auxin concentration on the lower side makes the lower side grow faster. C. Lack of auxin on the upper side inhibits growth on the upper side. D. Low auxin concentration on the lower side makes the lower grow faster. And the answer is B. High auxin concentration on the lower side makes the lower side grow faster. Which of the following is an advantage of vegetative propagation? A. Competition between parent and offspring is minimal. B. Colonization of new habitats is fast. C. Variation among offsprings occurs. D. Maintenance of parental characteristics in offspring. And the answer is D. Maintenance of parental characteristics in offsprings. Which one of the following excretory products is removed from the body by the kidney? A. Urea, excess water and excess salts. B. Urea, excess water and carbon dioxide. C. Carbon dioxide, excess water and excess salts. D. Carbon dioxide, urea and excess salts. And the answer is A. Urea, excess water and excess salts. Which one of the following pairs of organs is important in the digestion of fats? A. Stomach and liver. B. Pancreas and stomach. C. Liver and pancreas. D. Stomach and mouth. And the answer is liver and pancreas. Which of the following describes the carrying capacity of a population? A. Maximum number of organisms that can respond freely in a habitat. B. Area occupied by organisms of different species. C. Maximum number of organisms that can be supported by a specific area. D. Maximum number of plants that can support animals in a given area. And the answer is C. Maximum number of organisms that can be supported by a specific area. Which of the following features show continuous variation? A, B, and O blood groups. B, sickle cells. C, hemophilia. D, height. And the answer is D, height. Which of the following is likely effect of decrease in the number of platelets in the blood? A, the blood may not be able to carry enough oxygen. B, there may be prolonged bleeding in case of an injury. C, the body may not be able to fight disease. D, the body may not be able to distribute heat efficiently. And the answer is B, there may be prolonged bleeding in case of an injury. Which one of the following characteristics may be used to determine whether leaves are compound? A. Nature of margin. B. Number of leaflets. C. Type of venation. D. Presence of leaflets. And the answer is D. Presence of leaflets. The following events occur during germination of a bean seed. 1. Development of lateral roots. 2. Growth of radicle out of the tester. 3. Hypocotyls pulls the cotyledon out of soil. 4. Growth of root hairs. Which one of the following gives the correct sequence of events? A. 1, 2, 3, 4. B. 2, 3, 4, 1. C. 2, 4, 1, 3. D. 2, 1, 3, and 4. And the answer is B. 2, 3, 4, 1. Which one of the following stimulates the absorption of water in the kidney? A. Adrenaline. B. Antidiuretic hormone. C. Thyroxine. D. Insulin. And the answer is B. Antidiuretic hormone. Dear friends, thank you very much for participating in Boss MCQ Part 1. Thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe. I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.